If you want to save money and meal prep faster, you need to try these 5 AI prompts. They've completely changed my meal prep strategy and my grocery budget. And I'm going to show you exactly what to type and walk you through all of those prompts and give you a live demo. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be following up on my realistic meal prep video. And if you guys haven't watched it, I have it linked here so you can do that. In that video, I promised to do an AI prompts video for you all, and I talked about how I'm going to share my AI prompts with you guys. That's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. If you like such content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Okay, so I have my AI planning prompts, and this is how the template looks like. So I have a how to use guide and all the 5 prompts which will be necessary for you to create your own grocery list. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to be pasting the prompts one by one. So let's get into the first one. I'm just going to copy. So this prompt is really important because this is going to define how much food you're going to make and what type of food you're going to make, specifically regarding your dietary preferences and the number of people. So let's put in 2, and my dietary preferences are okay. So I have entered all these prompts in, and all I have to do is just press enter because the next prompt will cover the meals and the inventory. Okay, so going to prompt number 2, the kitchen inventory. So this prompt is genuinely super important because you need to put in details about your freezer, fridge, pantry, and any other things that you have lying around, because that's what the AI is going to use to create your meals. Right now, I'm not going to put in the quantities because this is just like a demo, but make sure to be really thorough. I think this is good for my freezer, and from my fridge, when I looked into it, I have lesser ingredients, but that's what I see. If I note it down, it's going to be like a lot more. So yeah, let's write that. So yeah, I have. As you start writing down, you realize how much you have. Honestly, my marinated tofu from my previous video that I did on my 3 marinades or 3 vegetarian marinades. So if you are interested in that, you can check that out here as well. All right, I think that should be all. I do have a can of black beans. So we're done with this prompt. Let me press enter. Okay, so one thing I want to mention is that the more detailed you are with the prompts, the better results the AI is going to give you. So it can be that, you are gluten-free or you have some allergies. So this template is generalized for, a variety of people to use, but you can really customize it to your needs, and your meal prep is going to be so much more personalized. So make sure to do that so that you get the best results from the AI. Putting in prompt number 3. So since I'm really busy during the weekdays, I tend to eat lighter meals. My breakfast is generally a 5 to 10 minute thing, or it can be grab and go. And my lunches are also pretty light. So I do like to, kind of just assemble and eat, or I can just do a a reheated meal. So that can be from my previous night dinner, anything else. So yeah, basically you can put in all of those things in this prompt, and the next 2 prompts are just, you have to just sit back and for the AI to give you all the answers. Currently, I'm obsessed with cottage cheese that I have read. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sentence here, and yeah, then I will just give the other prompts. This is generally that I make for my dinner so that I can just pack it and I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is the most preferred cuisine, just pasta though, because I'm not going to make any other specific Italian dishes. Snacks. For this one, I'm going to remove the snacks just because. So I think this is good enough. Let's see. Okay, cool. So for this prompt, prompt number 4, I want to really make what is like the most comfortable, but I also want to push myself a little bit. So in this prompt, I have included two sub prompts, which are mainly like one meal that is in the comfort zone, but like, or the cuisine that I want, but which pushes my boundaries just a little bit. The second sub prompt to that is, using the ingredients that I already have or any missing ingredients that the AI is already going to suggest, and making a meal from a different cuisine, for example. So those two prompts like help me explore different types of dishes and cuisines as well. So that's what I've included in this prompt too. So pasting this here. Cool. Let's go. And yeah, I just have to wait and sit back and relax and watch my meals being planned for me. And I think it's quite spot on. If you look at this, and there are like finished coconut curry. I generally don't make this a lot, but this is really cool. And I like how the AI has provided me with notes from any like tips and spice variations, which is great. So yeah, all that's left is to, give it the final prompt, which is giving me my missing ingredients grocery list. You never know, you might not even need one. So yeah, I'm just going to go over this again. So for my day 1, the AI has suggested, ChatGPT basically suggested Greek yogurt with chia seeds and fruit, which is perfect because that's literally what I like to eat and I don't want to stress about it. Generally, my main concern is like dinner, but yeah, for different people, it can be breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all three. So this is really good. I have like a mix with sabzi and roti. So I can just put in my Maharashtrian style tempering of my spices into it and just make it my own. I have my day 2 and I have my, I do have my pasta sauce ready with me. So one thing I can do is, I don't have probably time to make this. So what I'm going to do is just say that don't have time to make this, suggest something can be just assembled or reheated. So yes, you see, basically I can make like a quick salad with avocado and tofu or any other thing. Update my meal plan with the easiest options for lunch. Yeah, I can definitely like, boil pasta and I can get like a tomato paste sauce, which is really smart, and I will make it the night before. Ooh, I like this. This is so nice. Thali is also super easy to make. It's a Maharashtrian food, and I have put in or uploaded a short about it, so you can check it in my shorts list. This is great. So the last prompt that we have is this. So once the meals are finalized, all that's left is basically creating that shopping list, which is, like a missing ingredients list. So let's see if we are able to do that. I did not mention frozen berries, but yeah, this is really good. This is really good. Whole grain wrap. I do have roti. So some things that you can change is I do have all the condiments, like oil, vinegar, which I technically did not mention, and I also have frozen berries. Oh, and I forgot to mention milk. I have milk with the cheese options and all. Yeah, this is great. You can definitely tweak it a little bit. AI can give you some prompts or some results sometimes which are a little off. For example, I do have rice too, which I did mention, so I don't need to buy it. This is a good suggestion. I think this is great. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, how much it can cost. So let's see. That's generally what I do. So it's good to have see how it can show you how it can vary from region to region, which is great. So yeah, it's all in all $24, and if you don't buy organic, it's going to be even lesser. And obviously there are some foods which you might want to buy organic versus you might not want to buy organic. It depends on the preference. So yeah, you can just have a rough estimate, but this is literally it. You have your entire grocery list. You're not spending money unnecessarily on things that you might buy and not use, and you have like this prompt template which you can use over and over again, and you can literally train your AI. You can just create this chain in which you can put in this and it will know what you want. So you can use it, and yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions for it, or you want me to add stuff to it so that it can help you get even better results. And there you have it, a super clean process to generate your grocery list and save you not only money but also your time, energy, and mainly food. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and as I mentioned, the template is in the description box below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.